So today we are going to do a near day trip to Ferrara. We are going there now in the morning. It's like should be 40 minutes train ride over there, and then let's see what we can do over there. Probably just wandering off in the city. So let's just wait for the train now. So we are already on the move, and should be like within 40 minutes or so to Ferrara. So let's go. So we have just made it here to Ferrara now. We are just almost here at the train station. So let's go. Okay, let's just walk all the way to the castle. Should be this way. Well, doesn't look that pretty here, but let's see. I think we should turn. Yeah, it's just that way basically. So where is it? There it is. The cathedral, the Duomo, and also the castle. Let's go there. Let's keep walking. So here we are still on the way. Looks better. I mean, there is a football stadium here, which is from the club called Spal. And this is the way. Here, let's go. We still have like 1 kilometer ahead of us. So let's keep going. So here it gets slightly better. Well, still, center is over there. Let's go. So we have just made it here to the city center of Ferrara. So we are in this square over here. I guess that should be the cathedral. Let's have a look there. And then let's check the castle of Ferrara. Alright, let's go. Let's carry on walking. So there we have the castle. Is that one? So finally here we are in front of the castle of Ferrara. There we have, let's see how it looks here, because it's because this kind of there's this water surrounding the castle. Let's just now walk inside. Castello Estense. Right. Okay, so this is inside of the castle here. So we have these cannonballs here. So let's just now go to the other side. So let's just walk around towards the city center. It should be that way. Let's see what it looks like. So here we are in the city center, we have the cathedral here. It's with some scaffolding on the other side, so it's not that beautiful on the other side of this place here, this kind of square. And no, let's just carry on walking. This area is much more quieter than the previous one, like in the city center, fully crowded here. So, and here it's nicer. I mean, we are just walking here, wandering off here in the city a little bit. Let's see what we can find here. So, they say there is some Byzantine stuff over there, towards that direction, close to the what they call the Archaeological Museum. So let's see what we can find. So here we made it to the Archaeological Museum. Well, we might try to get inside. We'll see, but we need it's required a ticket though. It's €6 to get inside. Let's see. They say it's pretty much like about ancient Greece and Etruscan in terms of archaeology here. So let's see. So I've just purchased a ticket to get here inside. So let's explore and see what is here to be seen here in this museum. And let's have a look. Here we are in the beautiful gardens. I mean, well, it's winter time, so what can we expect? But it's the ticket allows you to come here into the gardens of this museum, which is like this palace over here. So, well, it's always nice. It's super quiet here. You don't have like much people just walking around in these parts of this museum, at least. So, well, let's see what we can do. Oh, this place inside is huge. And here you have the maps of this area. Spina, which was an old city here back in the days of the Etruscans. So we are talking even before the Roman Empire in ancient Rome. But here with this kind of bases here, we can notice like the influence of the Greek world in this part of the world, which is the Italian peninsula back in the days. Oh, well. And then we have more examples, of course. For sure, they have their own unique things from here, but you can clearly notice a very large influence from ancient Greece. So here we have some golden earrings, some necklaces as well, and well, these are made of bronze though, but they look like in the golden color, but with this golden tone, but they are actually bronze apparently. So, well, back in the days, people used to wear these things as well. So I've just done the tour here in the museum, and it's nice. I mean, for the price of €6, I can't really complain, but it's just basically about the Etruscan history here in this area, and also ancient Greek history here. So that's a good thing about it. So, but this is in this palace, Palazzo Costabili. Well, now it's time to head out from here. Let's just go all the way back to the center, maybe grab something for lunch, and we'll see. Let's just carry on walking now. So I just came to this place to find something to eat, and I'm gonna try the piadina, and let's see how it looks like. Apparently it's original thing from this region. I mean, it's original from this region, from Emilia, Romagna. So let's give it a try. So we just got our piadini. Let's give it a try. It's very delicious as well. It's with ham, mozzarella cheese, and tomato. It's really good. So I've just got my lunch, the piadina, which is that kind of bread sandwich that you can get. Well, really awesome. Not super pricey. It's like you can get for like €8 here in this place. And I'll tell you, like, this place is amazing. Look at these medieval roads here, the medieval streets here. Look at this. Very narrow. That's beautiful. And so I think the tour of this city, which we already made it, so it's now time to head back to the train station, and let's go back to Bologna and maybe just walk around in Bologna this time. So let's just go. And here in Ferrara we can find narrow streets like this. It's really beautiful. Look at this, it looks like very medieval. It's really amazing. So, and on the way back we have this kind of street market here in Ferrara. Well, maybe if you are interested in buying anything here, well, might be right, I guess. Then we are walking again towards the center here, close to the cathedral, to the Duomo. But then that's gonna turn on the left and just head to the train station. Let's go back to Bologna. But yeah, here you can find lots of stuff here. So let's this time take this way here. And see where it leads us here. So, and on the way to the train station, on the way back, I found this monument. Accordingly, it's an aqueduct. Wow, it's huge. I wonder. I think we can go closer, but it's closed to get inside. You cannot get over there though. But look at this. It's really massive here. And so we have just made it here to Bologna's city center here. It's really beautiful here. Tomorrow there's gonna be a marathon here in the city, so well, it's gonna be busy tomorrow. But yeah, it's really amazing, this place. It's really beautiful. So I'll be just calling it for the day here, well, in Bologna. So tomorrow morning we'll be back here to see and explore some parts of the city, and then well, see you. Hasta.